Hello, it's Jen. Welcome back. Today I am excited. We're going to put together a springtime eye look with one of my current favorite palettes from Glamlite. This is the MiKayla and Glamlite collab that she did with them. Can we just say gorgeous packaging? Check out all that sparkle. And on the inside are, obviously you get a lovely mirror, and you get some stunning colors in this palette. Lots of purples and greens and blues, and what inspired me today was this color right here. This is gonna go all over the lid. So if you are looking for a fun, bright, springtime is here look, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I want to mention that everything on my face is listed in the description box below. I am also linking my personal YouTube channel, which is called Jen D Beauty. I upload 3 times a week. I would love for you to come visit me over on my channel. I'm also on Instagram as Jen D Beauty Official. So come on over and say hello, and do not forget to hit subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoy watching. I'm going to start with the crease of my eye, and I'm going in with a neutral color. I'm going to start in with this one right here. By the way, the names in this palette are absolutely adorable. MiKayla is huge on TikTok, and all kinds of fun names like Buffalo Chicken, Simba, Glow Up. The one I'm going into my crease with is called How You Doin', and this blue that inspired me is called Rhodey. This is a Wayne Goss brush number 17, and I'm going into How You Doin', and I am going to just create a transition just above my crease here. If you have less real estate than me, then just stay close to the crease. I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This one is from AOA. If you're not familiar with Shop Miss A, it is an awesome website where everything is super inexpensive and their brushes are nice. This one is clean. I'm just using it to buff out those edges so that we have a seamless blend. I'm going to go under the eyes with this How You Doin' as well. This is a Zoeva 230. Going back into How You Doin', and I'm just going to go under the eyes with this color. Just for symmetry. Excited to get into this Rhodey. I'm going to take a flat brush. This one is from Unit. It is a 308. This is Beautylicious brand. And I am going to go in with this flat brush into Rhodey, tapping off the excess. And this is just one of the most beautiful, vibrant, opaque blues I have ever put on my lid. This was the first color in this palette that I absolutely fell in love with. It is gorgeous. We're going to put this all over the lid. Gorgeous. Glamlite's formula is amazing. Super pigmented. Shimmers are nice. They don't fade, they blend easily. I recently did a video on the pizza palette, which was a lot of fun. They do a lot of fun collabs. Right now they have a Hershey Kiss collection. If that's something you would be interested in seeing, make sure you comment below. I would love to do a video on that. I did pick up one of those palettes because I do love this brand. I'm going to build that up just a little bit more with packing motions. I'm going to go right into this next shade called Pot 2. gonna take this Profusion, this is an ES6 small pointed brush. Just going in on that outer corner with this shade. I'm gonna build it up a little bit. Gonna go back in with that original crease brush from Wayne Goss and go over that crease color a little bit more. So we want that edge to blend in. I'm gonna go in with Manifest right in between those two colors and let's see what happens. Pretty. Now I'm going to go in with this Nas shade right in the inner corner of my upper lid. And that's going to marry all the colors. I don't want to lose that roadie, so I'm going to take some back on that Zoeva brush and I'm going to go underneath the eye with it because I like that blue. Gonna just go back in with that Pot 2 purple again. Just make sure that outer corner is nice and bright. Now take it a little bit under the eye on that corner there just so that they blend nicely. I'm gonna clean up the fallout under the eyes and I'll be right back. I am back. I just wiped away the fallout that happened and added a little more concealer and powder, which of course will be listed in the description box below. I'm gonna add a little colored liner here. This is the LA Girl Shockwave liner and this is in the shade Electric. And then for liner, my very favorite gel cream liner from Inglot. If you struggle with winged liner, I have two recommendations for you. Number one, pick up this one from Inglot. I have tested out drugstore options and none are the same as this one. It just goes on beautifully. It does not dry out. It is worth every penny. You can find Inglot products on Beautylish. And the other recommendation is that brushes do matter. I adore this one from Sigma. This is their E46 and it's got a super fine point on it that you dip in there and it's just so easy to swoop. I have so much control. This has changed the game for winged liner for me. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And for mascara, I have the Milani highly rated anti-gravity mascara, one of my favorites. If you like bold, lengthened, volumized lashes, this is a great mascara for you. But you could just go in with one coat and be done. I like to build it up to get that false lash effect. There we go. I put a couple coats on the top, a little bit on the bottom. Great mascara if you want lift, volume, length, all the things. This is the finished eye look. I hope that you like. It is a bright, fun springtime look with a little 90s lip to go with it. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. This is my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, my favorite. This will lock your makeup in place. If you want to see a full face, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this eye look. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Make sure you take a look in the description box and jump over to my channel, Jen D Beauty, and take a look over there. I post videos 3 times a week. I really appreciate you joining me for this video today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thumbs up, comment, have a great day.